Good morning students. I am Manuel sir. Today I am going to teach class 6 English grammar chapter 8 adjectives. So what do you mean by this word adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. For example, it is used to describe. Few examples I would like to give. It is a colorful painting. What kind of painting it is? It is a colorful painting. So that's why your colorful becomes your adjective. Mr. Joseph is a wealthy man. What kind of man he is? He is a wealthy man. So again, colorful is describing that painting. Wealthy is describing that man. She wrote the letter in her childish handwriting. What kind of handwriting? Childish handwriting. So here childish becomes an adjective. We had an enjoyable stay at the farmhouse. What kind of experience? How we stayed out there? It was an enjoyable experience. So again enjoyable becomes an adjective. She showed me a priceless album of her photograph. What kind of album it was? Priceless. This priceless word is describing the album. What kind of album it was. So that's why all these words are adjectives. Today we are also going to learn. Kinds of adjectives. So there are different kinds of adjectives and different types of function. For example, different types of adjectives like adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, adjective, possessive adjective, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, adjective of number. So all these different kinds of adjectives have different types of functions. For example, adjective of quality. Let's start with this. An adjective that tells us about the quality of a person, place or thing is called adjective of quality. For example, the responsible caretaker acted nicely. What kind of caretaker he was? He was a responsible caretaker. So again, responsible becomes an adjective and it comes under adjective of quality. Jolly took me to a crowded marketplace. Crowded becomes an adjective of quality. The Russian soldier helped us. So Russian becomes an adjective of quality. The guest enjoyed the crispy snacks. What kind of snacks it was? Crispy snacks. And here crispy is the quality of the snack. That crispy word means it's a good snack. So crispy becomes a quality, adjective of quality. Second is possessive adjective. An adjective that shows possession or belongings are called possessive adjective. For example, my father is a teacher. Whose father is teacher? My father is teacher. So my becomes an possessive word. So my becomes a possessive word and it is coming under possessive adjective. The children thank their parents. So there becomes possessive adjective. And it comes under possessive word, so it is a possessive adjective. It means belongings. My father means that father belongs to whom? Me. Those parents belongs to whom? To those children. So that's why there becomes a possessive word. Becomes a possessive word. Third comes quantity. Adjective of quantity. An adjective that tells us how much of a thing is made is called adjective of quantity. Now here some examples I would like to give. I need some help. Can you count the help? No. But he needs some help means the speaker means to say that he needs a little bit help. Some becomes adjective of quantity out here. He did not attempt any question. Any becomes adjective of quantity. Mr. Ram lost all his belongings at the airport. So all becomes all his belongings. All is a quantity. Full quantity lost. Means all becomes adjective of quantity out here. Fourth one is demonstrative adjective. An adjective that indicates which person or thing is being referred. For example, this girl is taller than Anjana. So this becomes a demonstrative adjective. That boy is my brother. That becomes a demonstrative adjective. These trees bear juicy mangoes. So this becomes a demonstrative adjective. Those plants need to be watered. Those becomes a demonstrative adjective. All these words, these, those, that, all this comes under demonstrative adjective. Another next is interrogative. This word interrogative means question. An adjective that is used to ask a question is called interrogative adjective. For example, what time is it? Word becomes an interrogative word. So it is an interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle are they riding? Whose becomes an interrogative word. So it is coming under interrogative adjective. Which way should we take to the airport? So which, this particular word also coming under interrogative. So it is an interrogative adjective. At last, number, adjective of number. An adjective that tells us the number of things or person or the order of things or people in a series is called adjective of number. Few examples I would like to give. The hand has 5 fingers. How many fingers? My hand has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count this, you can also count. So this is coming under adjective of quantity. Most students have cleared the entrance exam. Most coming under adjective of, number. All these 5 fingers coming under adjective of number. Today is her first dance class. First coming under adjective of number. So today we have learned a lot of things, students. We have learned what is adjective. Adjective is a describing word, and also different kinds of adjective and their function. Adjective of quality, possessive adjective, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, adjective of number. So many things we have learned. Go through this lesson. You are going to know more about it. I am going to meet you all in next video.